Today, we're putting a new twist on an old recipe. What's up, everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. I know it's only been a week, but I missed you guys. How you doing? Good? Hope so. So listen, we are making the vegan macaroni pie that I made previously, but we're adding a twist, kimchi. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to put on a pot of boiling water and make some macaroni. Pretty much you're just going to follow the instructions on the back of the box or the package that you bought. The next thing you want to do is put on a second pot of boiling water because that is going to be needed for the next part. So into that second pot of boiling water, you are going to add a little salt just for seasoning, but you're also going to put in one potato. Now, I did not have a large potato, so I used a bunch of mini ones that pretty much equal to one potato. You've got your carrots. Again, I don't have the large carrots, which is what I would normally go with, so I just used a cup of baby carrots. Then you're also going to add in an onion. So I'm just going to add the onion, cut that up. And you're not looking for perfection in this one. You're just gonna make big cuts. Chop it up however you want because this is all gonna get blended anyway in the blender, so don't worry about the size too much. And I cannot get this. Do you guys have trouble getting the sticky part off? Is it just me? It's just me. Okay, the sticky part is off. I'm just going to chop this into fours, and these are gonna go into the boiling water. That's it. Cool, so now we just wait. The macaroni is almost done, and this pot with the onions and the carrots and potatoes, that's gonna go for about 10-15 minutes, just until the carrots and the potatoes have softened up a bit. So yeah, once that's done, I'll show you what we do next. All right, so I've washed my hands, the macaroni is ready, and the onions and all of that, they're still boiling away. They've got a couple of minutes. And while we have those couple of minutes, we're going to take our macaroni pie up a level by adding some awesome kimchi. Now, if you've never had kimchi before, it is fermented cabbage with gochujang. Gochujang is a red pepper paste. Not all of the kimchis are done that way, but the ones that North America knows about usually are. There are a ton of different types that you can choose from, but this is the most common one that you'll find in like Canada and America. But it is spicy, it is awesome. It has a smell that if you're not used to it might turn you off, but oh my gosh, it's so good. So what I'm gonna do is take this out and put it onto my cutting board. And sometimes, depending on the type of kimchi that you pick up, you won't have to worry about cutting it into pieces, depending on the type of root vegetable that they use. This one has a little bit of both in there. So I'm just going to slice it up a little bit, just to make it easier to incorporate. Oh, I love this so much. All right, this is ready to go. Let's continue waiting for that stuff. Okay, so let's check these. Check the potatoes. And I can't get a potato. Oh yeah, these are perfect. Okay, so what I'm going to do is switch the pots. I'm using the one the macaroni was in before. And I'm just going to pour the water into there without burning myself. There we go, nice. Now, all of this is going to go into the blender. Perfect. To that, I'm going to add in my cashews, the Nutritional yeast, and a little bit of salt to taste as well. Now, I'm also going to add in, like I said, about a cup and a half of this cooking water. Okay, that is ready to go. Woo, here we go. Careful not to burn yourself, it's still hot. Blended, ready to go. Next, take it and pour it all over. Oh, it is so beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, and pour that all over your macaroni. Now, depending on how ooey gooey you want, or how liquidy you want your macaroni pie to be, you can add more or less liquid. So, not gonna lie, I like a really thick kind of macaroni pie, one that you can cut when it's cold and it just keeps its shape. Love it. All right, so I don't know what I'm talking about, but you know what I mean, right? Right, you know what I mean. Okay, so that's okay. This is getting on my nerves. That sound. There we go. Much better. Now I'm gonna add in the kimchi. Oh, beauty. Like I said, you can add as little or as much as you want to the mixture. But we're still not done. We still have a topping to add to this because this is going to go into the oven. So let's move on to the final part. While the oven is preheating, you are going to put together your topping. I love kimchi. And into a bowl, you're going to add your Panko breadcrumbs, your black pepper, and your parsley, and if you want some salt as well. And then you're just going to mix this up. Use a fork, it's faster. Then you're just going to spread it all over. So the oven was already preheating, sorry, I forgot to tell you that, at 400 degrees. And this is going to go into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the top get nice, beautifully golden brown. So let's pop this into the oven, and I'm gonna go clean up as well. Oh, yeah. It's a little spicy, savory. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, I love that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new tasty videos just like this one. If you click right over here, that is a gift from me. You're welcome. It's a video that I think you should take a look at. However, if you click on this side, it's a video that YouTube recommends you watch amongst the plethora of videos that we have here on the channel. All right, guys, love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video.